leader and former Delhi Deputy CM Manish Sisodia is set to make a comeback to the political forefront as he's going to lead the party's election campaign following his release after 17 months in jail. On Sunday, Sisodia held a high-level strategy meeting with senior AAP leaders to discuss plans and gather feedback on the political landscape. In the high-level meeting of senior AAP leaders, a decision was taken to carry out Padyatra from 14th of August to connect with people at large with an eye on the upcoming Delhi Assembly election. Manish Sisodia is slated to meet party MLAs today and councillors tomorrow and chalk out the modalities of the campaign. The Assembly elections for Delhi's 70 constituencies are due by February 2025. The meeting, attended by key AAP figures including Sanjay Singh, Sandeep Pathak, Gopal Rai and others, focused on strategies to counter the BJP's influence in the upcoming polls.
दिल्ली के सभी सीनियर लीडर्स के साथ मीटिंग हुई है। इस बैठक में दिल्ली में होने वाले चुनाव और सारी राजनीतिक परिस्थितियों पर डिस्कशन हुआ। तो ये निर्णय लिया गया है कि सभी एमएलएस के साथ मीटिंग होगी और उनमें डिस्कशन किया जाएगा डिटेल में, और उसके बाद सभी काउंसलर्स के साथ मनीष जी की मीटिंग होगी और इसके बाद फिर लगभग 14 तारीख से मनीष जी जनता से मिलने के लिए पद यात्रा में निकलेंगे पूरी दिल्ली में और जनता से मिलेंगे, उनसे बात करेंगे।
Nikhil, my colleague, joins me for the latest. Nikhil, it is of course evident with the fact that they're going to be looking at the next kind of step to be taking forward, especially the timing of the same with the Delhi elections. But having said that, what have we been able to establish in terms of what kind of a roadmap they're trying to build? Because there has been a lot that has not worked in the favor of not just Manish Sisodia, but also overall for the party as well.
Nivedna, as far as the roadmap is concerned, just day before yesterday, Manish Sisodia has been out. In fact, on Friday, he was released on bail, and by late evening, he reached out to the residents of Arvind Kejriwal and then to his own residence. So as of now, as we speak, there is a series of the meetings currently taking place. Yesterday as well, many of the senior leaders and the party leadership, they met at the residence of one such big leader. And today as well, what we have been given to understand that all the MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party, they are also set to meet Manish Sisodia to chalk out for the plan as to what exactly the campaign strategy is going to be for the Aam Aadmi Party. Because remember, in just few months from now, at least in 6 to 8 months from now, there is election which is going to be seen not just Nivedna in the capital city but also in the crucial state of Haryana. And Haryana is one such a state where the Aam Aadmi Party is really keen on fighting, and they also see a good chance of the competition, at least from their side, to the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party. So amid all this, the release of the Manish Sisodia becomes even more important. But as we speak, he has only been out, and there are a couple of meetings which are already taking place. There are a few other engagements which are already scheduled for Manish Sisodia. But the important point is as to what exactly the role of former Deputy Chief Minister is going to be. Remember, back at the time when he was not arrested by the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate, he was holding as many as 18 portfolios, also with the post of the Deputy Chief Minister, which speaks volume about the trust which Arvind Kejriwal already have in Manish Sisodia. So now, in what leadership role will Manish Sisodia be seen, and what exactly are the kind of portfolios which he will be handling? This is something which is going to be very much interesting to see. But also there lies some of the nitty-gritties as well, because everything has to be done in accordance with that of Arvind Kejriwal, who is already behind the bars in the Tihar jail. If there is any of the order has to be passed or any of the directions has to be given to LG House,
right,
he needs proper framework and proper legal work as well. So this is something which is going to be interesting as far as the overall working of the Aam Aadmi Party in the days to come. Back to you.
Right, Nikhil. Thank you very much for drawing more perspective and, more importantly, telling us the background of where things also stand at the moment. Only time's going to tell if that's going to work in their favor in terms of the strategy. Having said that, we leave the conversation there, slipping a quick break here on The Morning